This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the rulers in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. If you look up top here, you'll see I have a ruler up here and I have a ruler off to the left side. My rulers are enabled. The way to enable them or disable them, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the View tab. You want to click on View. Then you want to go down to where it says Show Ruler. And as you can see, my Show Ruler has a check mark off to the left side of it. It is enabled. If I click on it again, now my rulers have been disabled. They are not showing anymore. And now to re-enable them, I'm going to follow the same steps. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the View tab. I'm going to click on View. Then I'm going to go back down to where it says Show Ruler. As you can see, that check mark is gone. It is disabled. I'm going to click on Show Ruler. Now as you can see, my rulers have been re-enabled. That is how to enable or disable the rulers in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.